Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify your Bitget account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Bitget app on your phone. Right, once you have done that, this is how it's gonna pop up. You can see we have unverified title. Just give it on our user ID right away. Now if we go back and we see here in the home screen, we will have this kind of interface, including this complete identity verification before trading option right on the top. We can tap on this option of verify. Now you can see what are the benefits on top are given and listed. Now for the verification requirements, we have to provide our government issued documents. Can be passport, your driver license, your ID, your face recognition verification. Estimated time would be 60 minutes for them to evaluate and give you the verification title. Now tap on verified, and you're simply gonna go ahead and have to turn on the settings for the gallery so they can access your gallery and your camera. Now go ahead and upload the photo of both sides. Once you have done that, you will be able to simply provide the face recognition verification and wait for 60 minutes for it. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.